Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to introduce new AI model Ling 3.0 Flash. It's free to use. Ling 3.0 Flash is a 124 billion parameters mixture of expert MOE model with approximately 5.1 parameter activated per token. The model designed with token efficiency and production scale agentic inference as key priorities, enabling developers to complete more useful work within constrained token latency and serving cost budgets. Ling 3.0 Flash free to use, 262K context. Ling 3.0 Flash released July 23, 2026. Ling 3.0 Flash provider is Novita AI. Input output is free. Latency 1.87. Throughput is 102 token per second. Look at the uptime 99.93%. So now let us test this model. In this video I am going to connect Ling 3.0 Flash model in VS Code and show how to response rate of this model. Open web browser. Go to Google search. Type OpenRouter. Hit enter. Click on first link, OpenRouter. Click on sign up. You can see the login options. I'm logging through Google account. Now I'm logged on as Google. Go to models. Go to search models. Type free. You can see the Ling 3.0 Flash free. Let's click on it. Click on quick start. Click create API key. Click new key. Type key name. I'm giving it name Ling 3.0 Flash demo. Go to expiration. In this video demonstration, I'm going to select key life 1 over. Click create. Now key is generated. Copy this key. Go to Windows search. Type notepad. Click open. Paste the key here. Minimize notepad. Click close. Now I'm going to connect this model in VS Code. Minimize web browser. Open VS Code. Now we have to set workspace. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Click documents. Click new folder. Set folder name. I'm giving it name new -project. Click select folder. Go to extensions. Go to search. Type Cline. Click Cline. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Click trust workspace and install. Cline is installed. Click mark done. Go to Cline. Select bring my own API key. Click continue. API provider, OpenRouter API key. Go to notepad. Copy API key. Paste the key here. Model. Go to web browser. Click models. Type Ling. Click on Ling 3.0 Flash. Copy model name. Go to VS Code. Paste model name here. Click continue. Now let me show you the response. Type hello. Hit enter. It's showing hello. How can I help you today? I am given task to him. Create a hello world web page using HTML. Hit enter. Now the code is generating. Click on save. Now you can see task completed. Minimize VS Code. Open this PC. Click Documents, open New Project folder, open index file. Now you can see Hello World web page is open. So guys, that's all in this video. Hope you understand the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.